What's up guys, today we have Samsung J7 Prime water damage. Customer bring this device and told me he dropped the device in water while he was working. The device was still working and after 30 minutes the device shut down. So we are not going to put any charger on it, we are just going to open it. You can heat with the heating gun with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. In this device we need to careful opening the screen because the screen could still working, so we need to open it with cautions because we don't need to damage it. We have home button flex cable at the bottom where the home button is located, so be careful when you push near the side to push in a direct way, not under the flex cable. This is very important, and keep heating whenever you think you need some heat. No need to raise the heating gun over 2 Celsius degree, and remember, different heat guns is different heat. So be careful with the temperature. This operation takes long time, so you have to be patient. Anyway, I recommended you, if this is the first time you open this device, you can watch, then you can disassemble or tear down. We need to remove the shield and then we can unplug the screen flex cable. Now we are going to remove all the screws. Now we need to remove all SIM card tray. Now we can detach the frame from the housing using any plastic tools. On the board we have 2 black screws, one at the top and second at the bottom. Now we can remove the motherboard. Keep removing the antenna and the flex cable. We can see too much of water leak to the motherboard and to the other pieces at the bottom side, and also to the battery, to the audio jack, to the microphone, to the cameras. I'm looking if I can see any burned mark or burned components. Seems we don't have any burned components until now. Anyway, I'm going to clean the board outside the ultrasonic machine because I don't need all that water to get into my alcohol, and then I will put the motherboard at the ultrasonic cleanser for about 1 hour, and then I will take out the motherboard and check whatever is going on. Anyway, I'm going to clean every pieces of the phone while the motherboard on the ultrasonic. While the motherboard in the ultrasonic, I'm going to clean the cameras. I'm going to clean every flex cables that we can do. I can't clean the camera lenses, but I can clean the flex cables of any corrosions leaked to it. We will do for every flex cables. Everything could be damaged or have corrosion in it from the water. Now I removed the motherboard. I'm going to clean with the brush over all the components. Now let's heat the motherboard to clean the alcohol, and then I will test if there is any short to the motherboard. I'm going now to check the battery voltage because we may ended off short and could make the battery less than 2.5 volt. In this case the phone can charge. Alright, the battery is good. Now I'm going to check if the power supply buzzer. We don't have any buzzer, so we don't have short to ground. Alright, now I'm going to put the device on position and I will try to charge the phone or power on the device. The charger is on, but seems we don't have any sign of charging. So this means the device is not working. I'm going to try another charger. These days I have too much damage to the cables because of the damaged phones. Also the new cable with nothing. I'm checking if the device is overheating, but seems nothing is heating, so we don't have serious problems. So I'm going now to check the battery voltage to see if we have a problem with the charging port. Alright, we don't have any voltage to the battery connector, so maybe we have something wrong with the charging port, so I'm going to assume to remove it. I also tried another charger to make sure the charger is working. Alright, we got 0.5 volt or 3 volt, and this is nothing. We have a short maybe to the charging port. Now I'm going to remove it and solder a new one. I already removed the old charging port. Now I'm going to solder the new port. You can apply some amtic flux paste, then you can solder the pads and the pins, and then we will solder the legs from the other side. We need to make some pads solid, and then we can flip the board to solder the legs. This technique I have been dealing with from about 1 month. I was dealing with another technique, but since I learned or tried this one, I have used this one. Alright, seems it's solid. Now I'm going to flip the board to solder the legs. We have here 2, 4, 6. We have 6 legs to solder. Now we can continue solder the pins. It seems we have a bridge with the 1 and 2, but seems we don't have any bridges. I'm going to check if they are solid. Seems they are all solid, so our job has been done. Now I'm going to check the phone if it charged or not. Okay, put the charger on, wait for a few seconds. Maybe this time will charge. Alright, we have a symbol of charging. After a few seconds, the device start charging because the voltage was about 3 volts. So in order to start counting, the battery needs to be start from 3.3 volt. Now we have 2% and now we have 8%. Now we are going to turn the device on and check whatever pieces are damaged from the water. We have a sign of the screen. We have a line. This is caused of water, but we have tested the LCD. The LCD is working without any problem. We have told the customer that he have 3 problems to the screen, but it's working. The microphone is not working, and the charging port has been replaced. Anyway, you have to check all pieces on the phone: the cameras, the sensors, the microphones, the charging, the powers, the volumes, the home button, the back button, everything on the phone, to make sure everything is working for the customer. And then you can assemble and give him price, and that's it. He may told you to fix, or he may told you not to fix. So we have been told to fix this device, and we are going to keep the screen because it's working. So we are going to assume replacing the microphone and the charging port. That was for today. If you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.